Our school is very unique, and it was raised by God. You know how we got this land is a miracle. How we got it is a miracle. When there's the school, they were asking me, those people, where shall we get the land to build? There was no land around. Miraculously, the Lord gave us this land. It is the Lord's land, and God is going to honor it, and we shall have everything here. It's a pleasure that we are here today.
Thank you for having us.
We don't know why God has allowed you, but there is.
Yeah.
And when we see you, it is just a blessing. You know, people told me, David, you'll be the poorest man on earth if you preach the gospel. But I can see the opposite. I'm the happiest man on earth. And I see two contradicting things. God is able. We keep on trusting him, and we want him to do his will. And we see now, this is God's blessing now. Only we want to raise the buildings. We trust even God now for funds to build our hostels. And what is forcing us is that very soon the present buildings will be demolished. Am I right, John? The present building will be demolished.
It will be when we have enough money to build the next new ward building.
Correct.
It's true that it's going to expand behind, right
And
back
when
there.
it expands, I'm sure God is going to start now also building this one. Because God is faithful. Can I request Don to pray for us so that we move slowly? Don, can you pray for us?